You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Is it recording right now?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome, so we are live. Okay. So this is something that happens to this grill here on a lot of cars. That is paint, either people touching it or it making contact with whatever, and the paint chipping off. And then once it starts chipping off in one area, it just keeps kind of like following through. So how do you fight that? Sharpie. This way your car doesn't look ugly. It doesn't look like somebody just put some white out. The grill has it has like an angle, so you want to find a good angle. Because I just went like this and it didn't do nothing, but I went like this and now I can see it coming in a little better. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. I'm going to do half real quick. Because I know people have suffered from ADD and they don't want to be here forever. So I got you on that. We're going to do this super quick. I don't know if you're able to see the difference already on the half that I just painted, but it looks way better. So now we're going to start from over here. Boom, boom, boom. Try to stay in the area that's white, like the part that's discolored. Try to stay in there. If you keep messing around, your nail or even the plastic on the marker will mess up more, and you're gonna have to keep working on it. So just try to stay in the area, and of course, hopefully your screen, your grill is when I say grill, I mean the screen. This plastic here is black. Obviously, if your screen is a different color, do not use black. Try to get a Sharpie that matches that color. Okay, that's how you fix it. How does it look? It looks way better, huh? Nice. I just rose the value of this vehicle by like $1,000. Peace.